Samsung Unpacked 2024. Galaxy Z Flip 6 launched with enhanced features and advanced AI. Samsung has unveiled its latest foldable smartphone, the Galaxy Z Flip 6, during the Galaxy Unpacked event held in Paris. Building on the success of its predecessors, this new model promises enhanced features, improved durability, and advanced AI capabilities. Available for pre-order starting today, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 will be widely available from July 24th onwards. Comes in a range of colors, including silver shadow, yellow, blue, and mint, with exclusive options available on Samsung's official website. Samsung claims the Galaxy Z Flip 6 is its most durable foldable yet, boasting Armour aluminum and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 for enhanced resilience. The dual rail hinge structure and improved main screen layers aim to minimize creases over time. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 starts at $1,099, which is $100 more than the previous model. Here are the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 specifications. Camera excellence. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 features a significant camera upgrade with a new 50MP wide-angle sensor, up from 12MP in previous models. Powered by the Pro Visual Engine, it promises better detail and vibrant images. AI enhancements analyze lighting conditions for optimal subject isolation and skin tone enhancement. The camera supports up to 10 times zoom and introduces the Flex Cam feature for hands-free shooting. Enhanced performance. For improved functionality, Samsung incorporates a vapor chamber for better thermal management and equips the device with a larger 4000 mAh battery. These upgrades ensure smoother performance and longer usage times. Flex Window and AI integration. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 introduces Flex Window, a 3.4-inch Super AMOLED LED display that allows users to manage notifications, respond to messages, and control music without opening the device. Samsung Galaxy's AI brings AI-powered features like suggested replies for quick responses and widgets for health updates and music controls through the Flex window. Customization options. Users can personalize their Galaxy Z Flip 6 with AI-powered photo ambient wallpapers that change based on time and weather conditions. The device also features various customization features, including suggested screen layouts that complement the selected wallpaper. AI capabilities. Samsung enhances user interaction with AI functionalities such as real-time translation through interpreter mode, facilitating seamless communication across languages. Samsung has positioned the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as a blend of style and substance, catering to users seeking cutting-edge technology with a focus on personalization and durability. With its sleek design and powerful features, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 aims to set a new standard in the foldable smartphone market.